I'm going to quickly show you how to install FFmpeg on Windows. First, go to the link in the description, which should take you to FFmpeg.org. Then click on this download button. Here, you should see download files for each operating system. Hover over Windows and click on Windows Builds by gyan.dev. Once you're on this page, click on this essentials.zip file and it should start downloading. Once it's done downloading, extract the files. Then move this bin folder outside for now. After that, go to your C drive and create a new folder called FFmpeg. Now move the bin folder into that new FFmpeg folder on the C drive. Go into the bin file and copy its path. Hit the Windows key and search for Edit the System Environment Variables and click on it. Click on Environment Variables. Then under System Variables, click on Path and click on Edit. Click on New and paste in the folder path we copied. Then keep clicking OK to exit everything. Now if you open up the terminal and type ffmpeg-version and hit enter, we should see version numbers like this indicating FFmpeg is installed. If you didn't follow these steps properly, you might see an error message like this.